What's up, everybody? It's Cool Dre, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. But first, before I get into all that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at CoolAssDre91, follow me on Twitter at CoolAssDre91. Like I said before, hit the subscribe button. It's gonna be either right here, right here, right here, or here, or here. Just hit it. And today I'm going to be unboxing a sneaker that I've been wanting for a long time. I saw it on eBay for about $100 and I watched it for a while. It went through one whole bidding cycle and nobody jumped on it. Saw it again, went through another whole bidding cycle, nobody jumped on it. So the third time, you know what they say, third time's the charm. I went ahead and just put my little bid in and nobody else bid. I don't know. You know what they say, third time's a charm, and if it's too good, there has to be something wrong with it. So let me just go ahead and open it. Hopefully I didn't catch an L. Hopefully it's a dub. I don't care. Quality, if it's a 6 out of 10, I'm good money on it. And so let's go ahead and just open it up. First thing that kind of threw me off, well, let's just get into it. It's the Nike SB Raygun, the away colorway. These came out in February 2015. So what is that? They're about 18 years old. No, they're not 18 years old. They're about 13 years old. It's 2018. I'm not a huge fan of the sending the shoebox. I keep showing y'all my address. I'm going to block that out. But yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the single box. I like my boxes to be double boxed, especially if I'm ordering something off eBay. But it's a pink box, and you know how people feel about pink boxes. I love pink boxes. I'll show you his information, but I don't really care if y'all spam him or whatever. Yeah, it says Rayguns on it. Nike Dunk Low Pro SB. You get the numbers right here. 3042 92-802. Get that information right there. All right, let's just go ahead and open it up. I am very nervous about this. Pink scissors for the pink box. I don't even know where to start. Looks like the box has been chewed. I love the pink box collection. I have a couple pink boxes in my closet. I have the St. Patrick's Day. I got the Vapors. What else did I have? That's it, I think. I don't know. I can't really tell. I'm just too nervous. Jeez, hit it all. Alright, so let's pull it off a little bit of the paint. I mean, of the box. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I got my first pink box, I was hyped. I was stupid happy. Taking pictures of it everywhere. Just quoting rappers, quoted Wale, which you should probably never do is quote Wale. But he said something about, alright, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna try to get this box undone because this shit is ridiculous. Just damaging the box. Now what if I was just a box collector? Got this information off the top of it. But yeah, when I got my first pink box, I was in love. I didn't realize how small the boxes were. I'm so used to just having regular boxes. Damn. Alright. But I guess I can't be that mad. It's a 13-year-old shoe. Come on. The box is, I'm surprised I got the box. Alright. Moment of truth. Let's see what it is. Oh shit. Okay. Hey. Nice. Oh shit. What the hell? Yo. Okay. Oh god. The right one's looking right. Nice. Little creasing on it. Wow. Yo, I am shocked. What the hell? Then why? Huh? He must do like dickhead shit for it to miss out on like two eBay cycles. This is a dope shoe. This looks nice. I got the patch on it right here. Wow. I would say, what is that? 60% stars on it? What? Yo. What the hell? Tags on it looking right. Let's see about the size. My man. The size sticker on the inside, the information is looking good. They smell good. Whoa, okay, let me pull out the left. There has to be something wrong with it. Alright, man's left me a lighter. Nice. I'd send that back. I don't want it. The inside of the box is nice and clean. Sheesh. The inside of the box is clean. Alright, well, somebody's a true blue sneaker. My only issue is there's cat hair in it. Yo, and that's my only issue. Alright, so the left one, the toe box is a little more bent in, but like I said, that's not a problem. Hell, I would give these like a 7 out of 10. This is dope. Real dope. There's cat hair everywhere. Oh man, they even got the patches looking right. The patches isn't breaking out at any point. Whew. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, so give me a, geez, see, I can't even talk. 60% stars. What the fuck? Yo, I don't even know, man. I'm hella happy. Got both the patches looking good. Alright, so if you didn't know, these are the Nike SB Home Raygun Away colorway. These are from 2005, like I said. These were part of the Nike basketball playoff advertisement run, promo run, whatever. The team that these are representing is the Roswell Rayguns. In the commercial they had Paul Pierce, Baron Davis, Vince Carter. Just promoting. It was like a team from the 70s. I know they had P-Funk was doing the music for the Parliament. If you're not with the Parliament was doing the music for the commercials. Yeah, it is very, very dope concept. I saw a jersey online to match with the shoes, and I'm thinking about getting that. I told myself if these shoes aren't up to snuff, then sheesh, I wouldn't do it to myself. But wow, these are fire. These are fire. Once you get your grail, like one of your grails, I know I did a grail video or grail podcast. Oh shit, don't forget, UNDERLYHYPE podcast. It's coming soon. I got some things to work out, anxiety and blah blah blah. Well, when I get myself right, that'll be out. Check it for that. If you like my voice, you like my face, you're gonna love my podcast. But anyway, I know I did a Grail podcast or even probably a YouTube video. I don't think I added these on, but yeah, these are at least top 12 on my Grail list of shoes that I need in my collection. But jeez Louise. Yeah, once you see your Grails on eBay or whatever, and you, I don't know. I don't want to be all super serious. It's a sneaker, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm in love. These are fucking dope. I don't know what to say anymore. Oh man, I can't wait to wear these. I'm gonna put them on ice until like Sneaker Summit or something and pop them out Sneaker Summit with the jersey. Sheesh. But the thing is, okay, I'm not going to go into a rant about SBs and sneaker culture and hype beast shit. Not going to do all that. But anyway, I love these shoes. I give them a 6 out of 7, meaning 6 out of 10. I don't know what else to say, so I'm going to end this video right here. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you like me, hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, tell a friend, and tell a friend to tell a friend to do all 3 of those things again. My name is Cool Ass Dre. This is an UNDERLYHYPE sneaker review, unboxing, whatever. Me falling in love at first sight, whatever you want to call it. Instagram, Cool Ass Dre 91. Twitter, dope ass twit name 91. What is love? He didn't hurt me. Anyways, Cool Ass Dre. Like I said before, hit the like button, subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, Cool Ass Dre 91. And I'm out. Peace.